In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message on LinkedIn without premium. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way over to LinkedIn.com. If you don't have a bookmark for LinkedIn, simply open a new tab in your browser and type the URL directly into your address bar. Then press enter. Once you're on LinkedIn's homepage, the next step is to log in. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account for a seamless experience. Or you can stick with the traditional method of entering your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, which is a great idea for keeping your account secure, be prepared to enter a verification code sent to your phone. It's an extra step, but one that keeps your information safe. Now, here is where it gets interesting. With a free LinkedIn account, there are some limitations to how you can send messages. You can directly message only those people you are already connected with, known as your first-degree connections. These are your LinkedIn contacts who have accepted your connection requests and vice versa. Another avenue to explore is LinkedIn groups. If you are part of the same LinkedIn group as someone, you can connect and communicate there as well. Joining groups related to your field or interests is a strategic way to expand your network and keep the conversation going. Now, you might be tempted to use LinkedIn's InMail feature to contact people you are not yet connected with. However, bear in mind that this option is only open if you have a premium account, which is off the table for free users. Don't fret, because here is a handy workaround. If you have someone specific you'd like to contact, start by sending them a connection request. Once they accept, they'll become one of your first-degree connections, which means you can message them freely. This process not only allows you to reach out but is also a fantastic way to gradually expand your professional network, opening doors to potential collaborations or career opportunities. Here's another tip: some LinkedIn users who have premium accounts enable an open profile setting. This means anyone, regardless of their LinkedIn connection status, can send them messages. When you come across these profiles, feel free to send them a courtesy note. You never know where it might lead. In essence, messaging on LinkedIn without a premium account is about strategically using the connections you have and engaging actively in LinkedIn groups. While LinkedIn does impose some limitations on free accounts, these methods can open doors to ample networking opportunities, so dive in. Start making those connections, join relevant groups, and watch those valuable professional relationships grow.